Hello, dear customers and visitors. We have some important updates for you regarding our services and display center. Due to the overwhelming response and extraordinary orders on our website, we are experiencing a high volume of inquiries. Our free home delivery service is keeping us very busy, and we appreciate your support. We apologize for any delays in responding to your WhatsApp messages and phone calls. We kindly request your patience as we work diligently to get back to each and every one of you. To make your experience at our display center more enjoyable, we encourage you to book your appointment and schedule a meeting time before your visit. You can find your appointment booking link in the message accompanying this video. At the display center, you can view and feel the products. Each product is tagged with a QR code that displays its price and detailed information. Simply scan the QR code on the product to learn more about it. If you have a customized order, please share the details via email or WhatsApp. We will prepare an estimate for your custom requirements as soon as possible. Thank you for your understanding and support. We look forward to serving you with the best possible experience. Remember to schedule your meeting time and get ready to explore our amazing products at the display center. For more information, feel free to reach out to us through our contact channels.